Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button down below. I wanted to make this update video to let you all know that I rebranded the channel to Value Resellers, and the reason why I did that is because I want to help people out there either get a reselling business started or help them out with the reselling business they already have. I myself am a top-rated eBay power seller, and I can answer questions on lots of things that you have, whether it be for eBay, whether it be for USPS, shipping, returns, and things like that. So if you have questions, you can leave them in the comments down below and leave your questions. I have rebranded the channel, but I do have other videos posted right now. If you go back in my video series, the product sourcing, I bring to you different YouTubers that product source all over. They product source from flea markets, from thrift stores, from garage sales, from estate sales, from pallets and returns. So if you're interested in learning the business and you want to get into the business, or you're already in the business and you have questions that you need answered or want answered, I will do my best to answer your questions if you leave them in the comments down below. Now, in my series of product sourcing, I show you different YouTubers that you can watch and that you can learn from. In the reselling community, we are all different. We all have different thoughts. We all do things differently. We all have different products that we source from and that we sell. So it's good to see other YouTubers out there and other eBay resellers, Amazon sellers, Poshmark, Etsy, whatever platform that you sell on. If you want to start your business now for $0, go back in my videos and watch those videos. You can start a business right now for $0, and you can start off by using eBay. eBay is free to sign up to. You do not need to pay anything, and you can list up to 50 items for totally free to start off with. And then once you build your feedback and you get customers, they'll up your limits, okay? So right now, if you have something sitting in your attic, if you have something sitting in your cellar, your basement, your storage unit that you're not using, why not turn around and flip it for profit on eBay? You can list $0 to list 50 items right now for free on eBay, and you could start making money. Now, eBay does charge a selling fee and a final value fee after you sell your item, but you do not need that money ahead of time. Usually, eBay will bill you monthly at the end of the month for the beginning of the month insertion fees and final value fees. So you don't need that money now. You could start pulling in money and do not have to pay anything to get started. So go back and watch my other videos. If you have any questions on that, you can comment also down below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. I've done lots of videos on different YouTubers like Blue Bus Dave, Taco Stacks, Primetime Treasure Hunter, and some other ones, and I will be doing more videos of those coming up. And I will post different videos of how-tos on eBay, how to source your products, how to ship your products, what's the best selling platforms, and things like that. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, I would suggest that you subscribe to this channel, because I will be making more videos. And again, I rebranded it to the Value Resellers because it makes more sense for the YouTube aspect. I will also be making a blog website, and it will be valueresellers.com. And that blog website, I'm going to post different things about the selling community, how-tos, and my personal story, how I got started with eBay, and how I made it to top-rated power seller status in 7 months. So you're going to want to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to have better videos coming up. I got a new intro. If you go back in my older videos, you're going to see the cheap talk, positive reinforcement, That's what I had as a YouTube name before, but I changed it and rebranded the whole thing to Value Resellers, and you should join my channel. And if you have any questions or comments or anything, just leave them down below in the description down below. If you want to leave your YouTube channel in the comments down below, I know a lot of people don't do that because a lot of times they get deleted. But if you would like to leave your YouTube channel name down in the comments below, you can do that, and I will not delete them. I will let them stay there. So that gives everybody a chance to connect. It's good to connect with other eBay sellers. It's good to connect with other online resellers. It's good to connect with other YouTubers. Together, we can help each other. And I want to make it perfectly clear here. There are a lot of resellers online, but there is always room for more resellers. We all sell something different. We all do product sourcing differently. We ship differently. And it's just a great YouTube. People can reach out to other people and teach them how to. And basically that's what the channel is how to. I'm not going to charge for YouTube's channel or a program that says, oh, you can make $2,000 in a month, pay for my program. I'll tell you how to do it. No, I'm not like that. I'm doing it here on this YouTube station for totally free. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe down below. Like I said, you can leave your YouTube links if you would like to in the description below, and I will not delete them. That way it'll give other people a chance to connect with you and see what you are up to in the YouTube world. There's a lot of these YouTubers that do YouTube videos. They show you how to product source. They show you what to buy, what not to buy. There is also a lot of YouTubers that do live online auctions. Primetime Treasure Hunter is one. He does live online auctions also, and he will do a battle royale where his YouTube subscribers get to battle it out for sales. And he's a great guy, and he tries to help as many people as he can out there. And he also does have a Facebook group. If you go to Primetime Treasure Hunters Facebook group, he has over 17,000 people in his Facebook group, his own YouTube station, and he will teach you a lot, and you will learn a lot from him. Just like all the other YouTubers that I do videos on, you will learn something different from every single one of these YouTubers. You will learn something different learn something different from every one of these online resellers. And a lot of times, like I said, they have auctions, live auctions online where you can bid and you can buy their items online and then either keep them for yourself, or if there's enough room to flip them for profit, you can flip them for profit. So again, thank you for watching this video, and I will be doing more videos. If you go back in my other videos, like I said, it's going to say cheap talk, positive reinforcement. I really can't change those. I wish I could, but I can't. But the new intro you see on this video is the intro for this channel now, changed totally. And I would like you to join this channel, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next. Happy reselling.